Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to add the drop shadow effect on your Canva frame with the help of Canva. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Canva website. After that, just head over here to the elements section and type in frames. So just head over here and you will find many kind of frames here. I'll just select this one. So after you select your frame, just upload a picture of your wish. Let's just say I'll upload this one here. So after you do this process, just head over here and click on download and download it as PNG. So let it download. So wait for a bit. So I'll just download it. So after it downloads, just delete this one here and upload that specific PNG file that you have just downloaded. I'll just upload files and just select this one here. So let it load up and select your PNG file. So here's the frame. So after that, just select the frame and click on edit and you will see the option for shadows here. Go here to the drop shadow effect option and click here on the drop shadow effect. So after that you can like blur it as you like, angle it as you like, and you can also select the distance of the drop shadow. So that's it for the video guys. I hope it helps you. Thanks for watching and take care.